It is a well-understood fact that our gut health has a key importance for our overall health, and most of our health enemies, toxins, bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens find their way into the gut from our mouth. So if you are looking for a way to detox your body from these harmful pathogens and toxins, there is one very unique and special technique known as oil pulling that can effectively help you detox your body naturally. So what is oil pulling detoxification? Oil pulling is a simple process where you take a tablespoon of oil, typically sesame oil or coconut oil, and swish it around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. There are some powerful compounds in these oils that have the ability to pull toxins out of your body, particularly from the mouth and throat. For example, coconut oil is heavily packed with a compound known as lauric acid, which has amazing antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to these properties, coconut oil can potentially kill many types of harmful microbiomes in your mouth, eventually preventing them from entering your body in the first place. As for sesame oil, it is a rich source of many antioxidants and essential fatty acids, such as vitamin E, oleic acid, and palmitic acid. This oil is so amazing that it can potentially help reduce inflammation in the gut, prevent many bacterial and fungal infections, and can effectively pull toxins right out of your body. Regardless of which one of these oils you might be using, oil pulling is known to be very effective in pulling toxins out through the oral cavity. Eventually, you stand a better chance against a variety of health issues, including inflammation, sinusitis, eczema, and even asthma. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Let's learn how to detox your body naturally with the help of this unique technique. The oil pulling technique is a simple process that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Here are the steps to follow. First, take a tablespoon of oil, such as sesame or coconut oil, and put it in your mouth. The oil may turn white or cloudy as it mixes with saliva and bacteria in your mouth. Don't worry, this is normal. Then, swish the oil around your mouth, between your teeth, and around your tongue for 15 to 20 minutes. It may be hard for you to do that on your first day, but don't worry, it's totally fine. Start with rinsing your mouth with oil for 4 to 5 minutes, and then gradually increase it to 15 to 20 minutes. Most importantly, do not swallow this oil. It will ruin the process. When you feel that you cannot keep it in your mouth any longer, spit the oil out into a trash can. Avoid spitting it in the sink, as it can settle in the pipes and can potentially clog them. Now rinse your mouth thoroughly with lukewarm water. Finally, brush your teeth as you normally would. Repeat this process once every day, and maybe 2 to 3 times per day if possible. According to the experts, you will start getting noticeable results within 4 to 6 weeks. It's best to do oil pulling first thing in the morning, before eating or drinking anything. Some people like to do it at night before bed, but it is not recommended as it may interfere with sleep. One more thing. Remember that oil pulling is not a substitute for regular dental care, and you should still brush and floss your teeth as usual. Now let's have a brief look at some of the health benefits of oil pulling. Number 1. For teeth, oil pulling can effectively whiten teeth and improve oral health. Rinsing your mouth with the oils helps remove plaque and bacteria from the mouth, leading to a lower risk of developing tooth decay and common gum diseases. Number 2. For the tongue, swishing the oil around the mouth helps remove any debris or bacteria that may be present on the tongue, leading to a fresher breath and a cleaner tongue. In fact, oil pulling is considered to be one of the most effective techniques against lousy mouth odor. Number 3. The oil pulling process may also stimulate the production of saliva, which can help neutralize the acid in the mouth, potentially destroy harmful bacteria, and can reduce the risk of tooth decay. Number 4. Lastly, coconut or sesame oil binds to bacteria, viruses, and other toxins in the mouth, and as you swish the oil around, it helps to dislodge these toxins and pull them out of the body. So you can say that oil pulling is one of the natural and most effective ways to help you detoxify your body. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. Take care and see you in the next video.